How to fix Picsart problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Picsart problem on any Android phone. First, open Play Store and here just type Picsart and check if there is any update for your Picsart, and then just update it. And if you can't find any update here, click on install and then install it again. And now go to settings and apps again, and here type Picsart and click on it, and here go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and after that just go back and restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.